I guess the first question is, did we see it coming? Why does this deal make sense?
Actually, it doesn't. And we didn't see it coming. I think what we're dealing with here is exactly what AbbVie says in their press release. This is a financial transaction. They're looking for an EPS uplift. They're looking for enhanced cash flows. And obviously, they're not paying all cash. So in terms of debt financing, I'm sure they've worked out how they'll do this to keep their rating. We're still looking at that. But in the end, this is a financial transaction. There's just two companies merging their assets together. So, and these are exactly the sorts of deals that I think in the past people have said haven't really worked out for the pharma industry.
But Sam, does it help AbbVie sort of diversify its portfolio of pharmaceuticals, as it were? I mean, it needs to add other drugs. Does this give them a leg up with Allergan? Yeah, I mean, they get Allergan's drugs, so they get into that business. I mean, you know, at the end of the day, you could see them buying, you know, a whole host of companies that would have added products that in areas that they don't have. So, but I just don't think that the market really likes financial-driven transactions like this. AbbVie does have a problem that it has to deal with. It knows for a fact that its product Humira is going to see severe competition, especially into 2023 when competition in US comes. And let's not be beat about the bush here. That's a $18-19 billion product that's going to face that sort of headwind. It's very difficult to deal with that. So maybe this is the way they think they're going to manage it. But I don't think anyone expected this kind of deal coming.
So now the conversation shifts to like Teva, Endo Pharmaceuticals. Are they going to be in play? Are they, or was this like an AbbVie necessary offensive move?
Frankly, I don't see many other pharma companies that have the same sort of patent cliff, for want of a better phrase, that they're facing. You know, Celgene, Bristol Myers was one that didn't quite have a patent cliff, but it had made a few mistakes along the way in developing its lead drug Opdivo, and hence it lost the initiative. So they needed a way of diluting that, and Celgene kind of gives that. But at least there's some synergy in terms of the business that they're in, the different areas of business, the cancer that they're in. Here, there's no obvious synergy. And there aren't any other companies that we see that have got the same sort of cliff that could try and do the same financial engineering as AbbVie is trying to do here.